still looking for US clinical experience? I think it's too late for that. You missed the boat. What are you on Filipino time? Or just you forget about it. You just rely on your connections. That's enough. You're really fucking late.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't listen to intellectual, please. While she does have a point, it is a little late in the game to be applying for U.S. clinical experience, especially with the application process right in front of us. It's not impossible. There is a little bit of hope. And if you are one of the applicants that she's talking about, don't feel bad. I get it. There's a lot going on heading into the application season, whether it be preparing for your steps, working a job so you can make ends meet, taking care of your family, especially those of you with children. So much going on, and it's hard to motivate yourself to pursue something that has been so hard to get, like U.S. clinical experience. So why am I making a big deal about U.S. clinical experience more than I ever have? It's because of the last cycle. The lack of valid U.S. clinical experience from teaching hospitals from applicants last year killed a lot of applications. It didn't even matter for some programs that you were a U.S. citizen.
I married a U.S. citizen.
You had high scores and you had 50 billion research publications. If somebody didn't have valid U.S. clinical experience, a lot of programs would just eliminate the application. So before this cycle started, my goal was to make sure that my students didn't get left behind. So I started to reach out to all my old contacts, and there was one golden, old school, trusted contact that came through. And he's someone that has been securing hands-on U.S. clinical experience at teaching hospitals since 1997. So as a professional courtesy, he's actually been kind enough to hold spots for my mission residency students, just in case they needed it this summer. Now, these are genuine ACGME accredited programs, and the same ones that U.S. schools and Caribbean schools send their own students to complete their core requirements for clerkship. So he's holding 10 seats for internal medicine and a few in the other specialties. And here's the thing, my students right now only need 4 of them. We don't need them all. So I said to him yesterday, just release the seats. Somebody else might need them. But also, if it couldn't go to my own mission residency students, if you could please prioritize my YouTube subscribers. So if you want one of these rotations, you just have to do 3 things. Super simple.
Hey, let me do this part, okay? The 3 things are in the description below. Just follow it. I think you'll be fine. That's good. Okay.